Are you looking for a Java developer? We get it. It can be a challenge to find talent amid a skills shortage, but let's reframe the hunt for top talent as an opportunity rather than a challenge. Let's take a look back at the history of Java and how we got to where we are today. It all started with a team of engineers called the Green Team at Sun Microsystems in the early 90s. It was James Gosling and his colleagues who first initiated the project for interactive television. An example of interactive television is interactive on-screen voting, where the user can control the show. It turns out, this technology was too advanced for the industry and was better suited for the World Wide Web. Flash forward today, and Java is in high demand, with organizations competing to keep up with technology and innovation. So, how can you get access to the top Java developers? We're here to help. Use a proven recruitment process to acquire the right talent fit. Each Java candidate Procom submits to you has gone through our proven 5-step ISO-certified process to ensure they have the necessary skills and are the right fit for your organization and project. Looking for the right certifications and conducting your own assessments will save you time and cut costs in the long run. Get access to market rate intelligence. Being in the know pays off when it comes to finding the right Java developers and tailoring your offer. As one of North America's largest IT staffing firms, Procom has over 28,000 data points a month on current rates across all verticals or industries in the Canadian and American marketplaces. Get access to global talent pools. Global Talent helps you integrate specialized offshore talent into your workforce by providing rigorously vetted remote IT professionals with excellent language and technical skills. With access to some of the most difficult to find talent, we can help you get your projects moving again. We offer access to a diverse pool of experts in niche areas like Java development at rates that can save you up to 20% compared to traditional hiring methods. Adopt business-wide processes and procedures. Take a look at our seamless 5-step hiring process to use as an example. No matter the process, ensure it's streamlined, standardized across your organization, and ready for implementation. Want to learn more about hiring Java developers or need a hand? Contact one of our recruitment experts today and build successful teams quickly with Procom's extensive talent network.